Hi everyone, I'm back with yet another perfume review, and this time I'm reviewing Creed's Love and White. This is a notable fragrance worn by many celebrities, including former First Lady Michelle Obama. I was doing some background research on this perfume and I was fascinated by the perfume's symbolism. The ingredients were hand selected from 5 continents to create a fragrant statement of global unity and peace. In honor of its release, the Empire State Building was actually illuminated in pure white. This Love and White has the Creed emblem all over it. Just opening it up and taking it out. I have these 75 milliliter. It's an up close of it. Just speaking to the fragrance profile, the blend of the fresh floral scents in this perfume produces a feminine yet warm feeling. According to the site, and I have it pulled up, it was inspired by a drive through the blossoming tree-lined streets of Provence on a glorious spring day. Right now it's still raining in San Diego, so I will take any opportunity I can to have it feel like a warm spring afternoon. I would say this is one of the girlier fragrances I have, but it's still bold and elegant. Definitely great for young adults, so early 20s and beyond. So fresh and floral, but it has the mature aspect to it. Reading again straight from the site, Love and White is a pure declaration of love. This romantic floral eau de parfum for women exquisitely combines some of the world's finest ingredients. Bulgarian rose and Florentine iris are blended with light and feminine notes of Italian orange, magnolia, warm vanilla, and sandalwood. Sophisticated and slightly powdery, Love and White perfume is reminiscent of a fresh spring breeze. The site also goes into the notes of the perfume. The head notes are Italian orange, zest, apple, apricot. Heart notes are narcissus, Florentine iris, jasmine, magnolia, Bulgarian rose. Base notes are musk and cedarwood. I still have quite a lot of this perfume left, and I really reserve it for later in the spring and summer days. It's so fresh and I feel like it amplifies the feeling I have during warmer weather. When it's summer, the sun sets at 7:30 or 8 and I can just spend all day outdoors, and this perfume makes it so much better. I know it may be weird that I'm talking about a perfume making me feel better, but in some aspects a perfume has the ability to do so. It elevates your mood. I posted another perfume review of a Creed fragrance that was on white flowers, and that was my very first Creed perfume. Love and White does last all day, but a caveat to this is it doesn't last as long as white flowers. If you're interested in that review, I'll leave a link up here as well as in the description box below. This is an eau de parfum, so that means that it contains around 10 to 20% perfume oil and lasts generally up to 8 hours. I would classify this as one of the more affordable perfumes from Creed, though it still is relatively expensive. To me, this is one of those good, unique starter luxury perfumes. I would recommend this to anyone looking for something that's uncommon, floral, and flirty. It truly can be worn every day, and I really think it's a perfect spring perfume. I just wanted to do this bottle justice, so another up close of it. This is carved out, as you can tell. It says Creed Love and White. It is a great perfume, and it hasn't gotten that much airtime, so I plan on wearing it much more this season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.